Today is Monday, June 30th, 2025, and today we're dowsing questions about the scientific mysteries of subatomic particles. I intend to connect with an energy that aligns with the best interests of humans and our planet Earth. I see Mother Michelle is here with us, accompanied by Saint Michael and Saint Gabriel. And Gabriel is coming forward to answer questions. Hi, Gabriel, welcome. Can you please show me yes? Thank you. Can you please show me no? Thank you. Can you please show me reword the question? Thank you. Is there a way you can indicate if an answer is partially true and partially false? Thank you. Do both rods pointing one direction indicate the answer is partially true and partially false? Yes, thank you. Was the universe born with equal amounts of matter and antimatter? No, thank you. To our current knowledge, quarks are the components that make up protons. However, when you calculate the mass of the individual quarks in a proton, it does not equal the total mass of the proton. Is there a secondary component that accounts for the mass discrepancy? Yes, thank you. Is this secondary component a known element to us? No, thank you. Is the secondary component bound to quarks by gluons? Yes, thank you. The rotation of a proton does not directly correlate to the rotation of its individual quarks when measured and compared. Is the reason for this directly related to the mass discrepancy related in my previous question? Yes, thank you. If we discover the unknown element that's paired with quarks to compose a proton, will we understand why the rotation difference in the quark and their corresponding protons, why there are rotation differences? Yes, thank you. Would we need to understand how to measure the movement of the unknown element to understand the rotation discrepancy? Yes, thank you. Is it possible to measure the mass of neutrinos? Yes, thank you. Referring to the deep underground neutrino experiment, would understanding the differences in behavior of neutrinos versus antineutrinos help us understand the differences of matter versus antimatter? No, thank you. Referring to Einstein's theory of special relativity, does mass or do muons have a certain basic magnetism? Yes, thank you. Is the magnetism determined by the structure of the body the specific muon comprises? No, thank you. When referring to the EMC effect coined by the European muon collaboration that describes nucleons' seemingly inconsistent movement, does mass or density of the nucleus, objectively provide mapping to the measure of this movement? Yes, thank you. Do our current methods of measuring nuclear size, such as electron scattering, accurately calculate the mass of the nucleus? Partially yes, partially no. Do any of our current methods accurately measure this? Partially yes, partially no. Is there a consistent lifespan expectancy for the life of a neutron? Yes, thank you. Is the lifespan determined by the structure of the body the specific neutron belongs to? No, thank you. The photon's experience of our relevant time differs because they travel at the speed of light. Do any other forms experience relative time differently than us? Partially yes, partially no. Does plasma experience relative time differently than us? No, thank you. Do electrons experience relative time differently than us? No, thank you. Do protons experience relative time differently than us? Yes, thank you. Do neutrons experience relative time differently than us? Partially yes, partially no, thank you. Do any other forms experience relative time differently than us? Partially yes, partially no, thank you. A photon is a tiny particle with no resting mass composed of electromagnetic waves that represent a single unit of light energy. Is our spirit energy that animates our consciousness comprised of photons? Yes, thank you. That is so cool. That was my last question for this session, so I'd like to close the session for today. I appreciate your time and energy, and thank you guys for watching.